good. Yung karamihan na nakukuha nilang paint touches is really out of the offensive rebounding. We have not seen a dribble drive, penetrate, get paint touches, and spray it out.
Juan Estacio, ito naman, takbo na naman ang Pasig. They go to Kid on the layup, will be fouled. Hit on the face by Josh Fontanilla. They go down low post.
Good
Cross
spray.
court. Cruz, another three is finally good for Mark Cruz.
They're gonna need that kind of play to work.
They like this, they go to Adi. Santos, the other Santos.
Nice
Drop
pass.
pass to Adi. Santos connection works. Ang pagtakbo ng Pasig pero meron pa rin sagot on the half-court setup itong tropang Pasig. Galicia, the first jumper is good.
Offensive rebounding kadalasan para sa Gensan Warriors. Wala masyadong tumatahi. Kailangan atakihin yung paint.
Fontanilla, far out. Straight line in for Josh Fontanilla. Rodriguez, just a little too short, but they get the steal and a fast break for Adi Santos. So 5 minutes and 55 remaining here in the third. Two-man game, can't get the pocket pass. Bata. Well read, but that's gonna be personal foul. Si Josh Fontanilla. Nelo Santos drives baseline. The
go.
beautiful Euro for Nelo Santos. Nelo trying to run that basketball. Slows it down, finds a cutter in RJ Minerva. Labas kay Nelo. Wide open. In and out, but Minerva gets a second chance.
Try and secure offensive rebound and that stick back.
Ito na ang kalamangan ng Gensan here in the ball game. Maloles goes down to Galicia looking for that fadeaway. Can't get it, but Maloles stays active. Early screen with Antonio Sebio. Looking for someone to show. Acuña! Not even a lot of space. Sabi nga nila, shoot or shoot. 7 out of 31. Para din sa Gensan here in the ball game. Bautista, little step side. Answers right back on the other end.
Shooter baka mo usapan. Sali ako dyan. Jeff Bautista yan.
So now 31 for Gensan. They have 16 for passing. Another turnover for Gensan. Andrews against Bautista. Bautista wins the matchup. Bo in the basketball. Corner. Acuña's made one. Back-to-back triples for Val Acuña on the same side. Alam ko si Justin shooter yan eh.
Oo naman. Tsaka ano yan, nag-golf na ngayon.
Change career. Japs. Wow. Last Jagars being denied by Nelo. Good hand. Pero balik ang bola kay Japs. He attacks. Spin is blocked by Nelo Santos. Larry goes early. In and out. May pagkakataon pa. 2 seconds. They go to Estacio. Will this count? Almost, but not quite.